So, playing in the park. You don't have to go to the park to have fun. You can just build a slide. You just follow the directions, and you should end up with something like this. And when your pet rocks seem bored, and they're done with their nap, you just take them out of their nest, and you just toss them. Oh, shoot! And sometimes they have more fun than you. That's okay. It's all for them. And sometimes they want to go again, and then you just toss them back up. You just gotta keep going, keep playing until they tell you to stop. Sometimes they don't want to go down all the way. You just gotta give them a little help. Yeah. Oh, that one got stuck up. Let's see if his brother can get him down. He's out of reach. I just climb up. He doesn't want to go down for bed. Just tuck him back in. Like and subscribe.